Wobble, wobble, gobble, gobble, it's a dance party! Hello, I'm Danielle, the author and illustrator of Mischief, a pancake surprise. And on the Mischief channel, I teach you about our amazing world through art, science, and craft projects. Today, I will show you how to make a turkey finger puppet, gobble, gobble. This is a great project for Thanksgiving. Here's what you need. Brown and orange foam, a pencil, fall leaves, you can use fake leaves or real ones from outside, bobble eyes, scissors, and a drawing compass. You also need glue. To start, put your drawing compass at 2.5 inches. Place the drawing compass down onto the brown foam. Draw a circle. Don't press too hard because you don't want the pointy end to create a hole in the center of your circle. For the next step, take your drawing compass and put it to 2 inches. Draw another circle. The larger circle will become the body of your turkey, and the smaller circle will be the head of your turkey. Now it's time to cut out your circles. Glue them together. Put a dab of glue right here at the bottom, and then attach it. Just like that. Draw a triangle for the beak of your turkey. Let's cut it out. Glue down the beak. It's time to glue down the bubble eyes. Put a dab of glue. What a goofy turkey. Now draw 2 circles at the bottom of your turkey so you have holes to put your fingers through. Your fingers will make excellent legs for your turkey. Poke a hole into the center of your circles with your pencil so you have a place to slip in your scissors. Like that. Now grab your scissors and cut out your circles. For the last step, glue on the leaves. The leaves will become the turkey's feathers. I sure do love fall colors. Leaves are so beautiful in the fall. What is your favorite season? Tell me in the comments below. Okay, so flip your turkey upside down and then just place glue onto each leaf. Just kind of attach it around his upper body here and around his head. This is going to be so fun to play with when we're all done. Put down the last little leaf here. Here we go. So the leaves are not really attaching themselves to the turkey very well because they're textured and they don't want to lay flat onto the turkey. So to help them dry, I'm going to place this jar on top of them, just like this, and then I'll set it aside to dry for a few hours. All right, my turkey's all done and ready to play with. Happy Thanksgiving, everyone! I had so much fun making this turkey finger puppet with you. If you had fun too, like the video below, share it with a friend, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you haven't already, please check out my book, Mischief, a pancake surprise. In the book, the moose claims he's the very best chef. But is that simply ridiculous? Buy the book to find out.